Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my JewelScent subscription unboxing for May. I normally look and see what state it is and the scent, but I didn't peek yet. And when I opened the bag that it came in, it kind of smells like eggnog, so we'll see what it's supposed to be. State this month is Delaware. Wild strawberry, yeah, very far from eggnog. I'll have to smell it again when we get in here. But there's our sticker, so I'll put that on our map. Here's the candle. It's a huge candle. Yeah, that smells like strawberry. I don't know where the nutmeg smell was coming from. And our mystery product this month is the body cream. Okay, cool. So, it's sealed, but I've had their body creams before. They only had like a handful of them, and they're really thick, which I like because I have really dry skin. So yeah. That smells really good. A light strawberry fragrance on that. The candle will probably be more fragrant, but I'm going to go ahead and put the sticker on. So there's the Delaware sticker. You can see I got a few of them on here, so hopefully we can fill that up within the next couple years. And yeah, complete our map. So I will get to burning this, and I will be right back. Do you want to come tell them what it smells like?
Okay.
I think it smells exactly like what it's supposed to smell like. Here, let me bring the, here, put your nose over here. What do you think it smells like?
Pineapple? Or pineapple?
Is it fruity smelling to you?
Yeah.
It's actually strawberry. Does that smell like strawberry?
No, it kind of smells like pineapple. Strawberry mixed together.
Jackson, you're the not the best salesman. Okay, I'll look in just a second. Do you want to open this and show them what's inside? I think it smells just like strawberry.
It's probably going to be a red rain if it's a strawberry.
Oh, no, that's a good guess. It could be.
Or maybe it could be shaped like
here, put it over here.
Strawberry.
I think it smells...
Ooh, it feels like a big jewel.
Ugh. I don't like the big jewels. I like the more dainty ones. We'll see. It did have a really good scent throw. Before I started putting on the warmer, it was very fragrant.
Oops, it looks like it's white this time.
It's clear. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really blingy.
Bling, bling.
PP36. I think that's just the straight $40 code, but let's check it out.
Let's make it out.
Wow. Yeah, that's fancy. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the area, and I'll be back to show you a better view of the ring. So yes, this is a $40 ring. I think they all have been just $40 so far. That's nice because if you do want a more expensive ring, then the subscription gives you a $40 minimum. And this one's super blingy. And Raylan says hi. Very talkative lately. Jackson, do you think the ring's pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
I think that's the best one you ever had.
Yeah, the best one probably in a while. I like that one. And at least it's not an emerald.
I like other ones too. But that's not all my favorites. Just like
what's your favorite color stone? Do you have one?
The one that turns different colors.
Oh, the mood ring from Fragrant Jewels. That's still his favorite, and he still has it in his room. He won't let anyone touch it.
Nope, sure won't.
Alright, if you guys are interested in the subscription, I have the link below where you can join. I'm not sure what next month will be, but they should post it here shortly. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.